guys, welcome back to my channel. Si son nuevos, bienvenidos. Mi nombre es Paloma. Suscríbete a mi canal para que formes parte de mi familia. Today we have a very exciting video, you guys. Finally, another cooking video. I haven't cooked on my channel probably since the what I eat in a day video. So today I am sharing my quick and easy salmon recipe, my freaking favorite dish in the world. I can make this every day and I'll never get tired of it. I haven't tried this specific salmon recipe. I made it up as I went, but I'm sure you guys have heard of it. I just added some cayenne powder, some salt, pepper, and some butter garlic. And yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and get straight into the video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share my video. Y pues sí, ya saben que se los agradezco de todo corazón. Vamos a empezar. Okay, so I have my salmon here. It looks kind of cooked because when I was thawing it out, I let it thaw out too long. That's okay. We're gonna use some butter and some minced garlic. Ahorita lo que voy a hacer es que I'm gonna put this in the microwave and then I'm gonna just mix some garlic and sprinkle it on top. Okay, I'm gonna leave the salmon marinating. I'm gonna start cooking the white rice. I like using this basmati rice. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but all you do is boil it for like 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna make some potatoes, some red potatoes for my mom. I think that's what she'll like instead. I'm gonna just stuff these in here and then wait for them to cook. Ay, me quemé. Don't burn yourself, y'all. So I just smeared some avocado oil with a napkin around the pan. I added some salt, pepper, and cayenne powder to make it a little bit more tasteful. So we're about to add this on. And I always place them at face first, cover for a few minutes, and then we're gonna flip them over. So I just flipped my salmon over and it's a little bit crispy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions and then just let it marinate with the seasoning that's there. And I'm gonna just go ahead and cover it up for a few more minutes. And then my potatoes are almost done. We like them crispy in this household. So, un poquito más y ya la quito. So now I'm gonna cook some peppers that I cut in for some extra flavor for our salmon. And this is the final product, you guys. So bomb. We have the potatoes here and then the white rice for me. Fridge, we have the salad. We like simple salad. Vean, y este es mi plato. Me hice un tipo po sin la ensalada. Vamos a ver cómo sabe y luego les puedo decir que me aviento.